Hi, I'm Brad Williams with your August 2023 Grow Omaha Construction Update, sponsored by Leader Construction. Coming up in a little bit, we'll show you this month's featured Leader Construction project. But first, let's check out these other projects. We start this month at the new Mutual of Omaha Tower. The tower cranes are up, and in the past few weeks, the building has gone vertical. Another Starbucks is nearing completion, this one on the northeast corner of 42nd and L Street. The new 6-story Hampton Inn at 44th and Douglas has reached full height, and exterior windows and doors are starting to go in. Site prep is underway for Omaha's new Central Library located at 72nd and Dodge Street. The old building was cleared away earlier this summer, and now work is underway to grade the site and start installing sewers. The shopping center on the northwest corner of 114th and Dodge, which has sat completely empty for the last several years, is finally showing signs of progress. Last year, the supermarket on the north end of the shopping center was converted to an office, and now the rest of the shopping center is showing signs of completion. And now it's time for this month's Leader Construction Featured Project of the Month. This month we're heading out to Papillion to the northeast corner of Highway 370 and Interstate 80 to the brand new H&H Kia dealership currently under construction. This new Kia dealership is right across the street from the new H&H Chevy dealership, which Leader Construction also constructed last year. This new dealership will be a new prototype for Kia, one of only 2 dealerships currently under construction following the new prototype. The new 2-story dealership should be ready in early 2025. And for those of you wondering, yes, Menards still owns the lot to the west of this new Kia dealership, but we haven't heard any updates on when they might start building. And now we head to the Creighton campus, where the new Jesuit Residence Hall is under construction on North 24th Street. This $17 million building will be nearly 38,000 square feet when complete. Work is well underway on the new 30,000 square foot Smash Park in La Vista. This venue will include craft food and drink, pickleball, axe throwing, duck pin bowling, private karaoke suites, and more than 100 HD TVs. The 15,000 square foot outdoor patio space will include pickleball, shuffleboard, bocce, a premier patio, rooftop bar, televisions, and yard games. Work continues on the $35 million Disney Mule project of the Millwork Commons District of North Downtown. This project includes historic buildings already in place, as well as new construction to fill up the entire city block. When complete, this project will have a mix of retail and residential. Site prep is underway for the $103 million Center for Arts Engagement addition to Omaha's Holland Performing Arts Center. Quick update on a couple bridge projects around the metro. First, the 92nd and Center Street Bridge over the Papillion Creek. While this picture looks like the bridge has a long ways to go, it's actually a lot farther along than you may think and should be ready to go yet this fall. The other bridge project is 42nd Street, just south of I-80. This project is replacing 4 old bridges over railroad tracks with one new large bridge to cover the entire span. This bridge should be open to traffic by the end of the year. A new $57 million contemporary mass timber building continues to rise in North Downtown. The contemporary version of the mass timber building means it is more of a hybrid structure with both steel and mass timber components. This project will include both office and retail and will finish up in 2024. A new location of B Street Collision is under construction on Blair High Road just north of I-680. Take a trip up North 30th Street and you'll come across the Highlander development near 30th and Blondo Street. 75 North Revitalization Corp is working to redevelop the Pleasant View home housing projects. 75 North's mission is to break the cycle of poverty and community deterioration by facilitating and creating a healthy, sustainable, mixed-income community complete with high-quality housing, thriving schools, recreational facilities, and other neighborhood enrichment amenities. Currently, work is underway on Phase 3 of the Highlander project, which includes 89 units on both the east and west sides of North 30th Street. Finally, let's head down to the riverfront for a little sneak peek. Last week, I was able to check out Heartland of America Park and Lewis and Clark Landing, and I'm going to tell you what, it was fantastic. Everything turned out even better than I ever thought. The ribbon cutting is coming up this Friday, August 18th, and after that, the parks will be open to everyone. Sharpen up your skates because this skating ribbon is going to be awesome. Thanks for tuning in to this month's Grow Omaha Construction Update. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or a suggestion for a future project, please send an email to news@growomaha.com. Thanks for tuning in this month, and we'll see you again next time.